Mr. HK got a new car refill. It's a zl1 Camaro, 2014. I traded my 300 in for it was SRT8 2006. Car was shit. 425 horsepower, 4-door. Couldn't deal with it. My first car, if you actually look on Facebook, oh, by the way, I painted that, by the way. And my first car was a 1991 Camaro Z28. And that was in 2013, I think that was 2012. I say 2010. Now I got me a zl1 2020. And just to remind you, it's a 2014 Camaro. Oh, by the way, let's do a cold start. And I'm behind it too. Waking now. That piece of shit ass 300 I had. I probably ain't gonna never buy a 300 ever again. Never get a 300. 425 horsepower. The actual aspirated engine, so fucking quiet. Nah, I ain't do it. I just keep my zl1, 580 horsepower. Way better. And I'm still driving the piece of shit Honda where I use turtle wax on it. Nice car. Oh, and by the way, if y'all wondering why I made no gun reviews, well, I've been a little busy buying stuff. The woman totally blacked out. I put on it. Tinted tail lights, little strips like that. Tinted that right there. Tinted that. Tinted that. Smoked it out with some spray paint. That right there. I wish it was a little darker, but it's okay. It's cool. Let's go look at let's go inside the car. Let's supercharger blowing. And they got 51,000 miles. 51,000. I think say 200. 51,002. zl1. Camaro. Let's do a little revving the engine. Ooh, you hear that? Yeah, good car. More videos will be up soon.